Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortewada. In this video, we will learn about not found route. So, how this not found route helps us in customizing the not found page. For example, we have a route where it is not configured properly or it may not be configured exactly what we need. Then we need to show some customized output where it is not found. So how we can achieve that in React routing? So let me go into the browser first. So here, whenever I use login, it is showing the login page. Let me inspect this, and inside the console, let me hit /123, which is not available, and you can see no route matched location login /123. But actually speaking, it is showing a plain UI. That means the users who is using this application can't understand what is the problem. They may be thinking the problem is with application, but actually speaking, it is the problem with URL. So how to handle this type of cases? We have to intimate the user that this page or the route is not configured properly. So now let me go here. What I'll do is I'll configure a new route inside our route. That is nothing but a route with slash and give a path with star. Then in this case, I want to give an element. The star indicates not found. When the route is not found on the top level, then it will be showing this particular route value. So let me use a h1 not found page and save this. And go here, you can see the not found page. When I click on login, you are able to see the login page. But when I go with 123, it is showing not found page. That means whatever the page here we are showing, that can be customized, like with some images and some customized UI which we can show on this not found page. So here we are using a h1 tag. Instead, I can create my own component. So let me go here into the pages, and inside the pages let me create a new folder called as not hyphen found, and inside this not found let me create not found.js and rfce. So this is my not found. Let me copy that h1 and put it over here and save this. Now let me go into app.js and then let me use something like not found and save this. Now you can see the not found page exactly the same. /123 hit not found. Let me go into register /123 not found. So anywhere throughout your application, whenever the page is not found, automatically it will be showing this not found customized component. So that's how you can use your not found page in React routing. And this should be configured for every application, because we have to show the end user that the URL whatever they are searching, if it is not found, we have to intimate them configuration is not done. Otherwise it will be showing a empty page. So that's how you can use your not found page in React. That's it for this video. Hope this gave you a glance how to configure not found page in your application. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.